Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how can you transfer data from your old Samsung smartphone to a new Samsung smartphone. So first of all, you need to keep Bluetooth, NFC and Wi-Fi on both devices, and Wi-Fi should be connected with one router or one connection. So keep both phones close and you will see a setup notification on your old smartphone. It will show you a name of your new smartphone. Just click setup and then it will show you an option of scanning a QR code. You will see a QR code on your new smartphone. You just need to scan it on your old smartphone. Also, you'll see a keep screen on option and check on both smartphones and sit back and relax. Once the data is complete, you will see a mirror copy of your old smartphone on a new one. So that's all. It's a very simple process. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.